quick analysis on our USD Swiss franc. Do not forget, before you go, just it won't take you much of your time to just click on the subscribe button. It won't take you anything, free of charge. It won't take you anything. Just click on the subscribe button, because I want you to subscribe to my channel, because we do analysis on our first stock market. So now you can see our price for today. Well, let's try to see our price for today. As we can see, our USD against our Swiss franc falling dramatically. You see it has fallen dramatically, and we would want to be having that thing called like a pullback. As you can see, we are on a bearish move. Now we want to see a bullish move, giving us like a retracement, right, before we actually continue our bearish move downward. And guess what, our price has opened bullish for today. We can see our price. Let's see, at least that's moved about 38 pips. And guess what, we are on our Tokyo session, this Sydney session. You can see our Tokyo session has opened. London has not opened. It will still take up about 5 to 7 hours time for our London session open, and before our New York session open. So let's see our USD Swiss franc. Our USD is actually going bullish, and we want to continue to see that bullish to hit our key level here before we might actually see a drop. If not, let's continue to go bullish on our USD Swiss franc. Same thing with my 4-hour time frame, still going bullish. By the way, we can see my previous, I like call it, lower highs. It has broken it. You see this our low, right? You can see our lower highs, right? Now we saw this drop. It has failed to break below, so we now actually even broken above this area here, our previous lower highs. We have actually broken above it. So that is an indication that our price probably is changing direction upward. To this our area here, we are actually aiming to grab our profit. So let's see if we can go bullish, grab this our profits here before can actually not see a drop on our 4-hour time frame. Same thing with my 1-hour time frame. Exactly what I am planning to trade. We can see we've broken below above this our area here highs. It's still going up. Let's see, give us a retracement again, give us a bullish move, give us a retracement, and continue bullish move, by the way, to hit our take profit level we are planning to hit. So you can see no major movements that can actually change the direction of our Swiss franc, by the way, on our USD Swiss franc, because the news that will be coming out is close to our London session. That will be our trade balance, which will have a low impact on our forex, and we also have our retail 30 minutes later news, which will have a low impact on our forex. Then another 30 minutes later, we will also be having a GDP quarter to quarter. So which all these news that will be coming out to be having a low impact, except these our governor board members, bro, that's that might speaks that can have a major impact. But before that will be close to our New Year session. So before that, I think we should actually have gone bullish move up. At least let's see, we should be able to grab about 50 to probably hit this area here, but let's be able to see if we'll be able to grab about 60 plus pips for today. That is my analysis for today. So thank you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.